exciting time for not only us as the students, but also the community, our hapu and our iwi.
Ka tū haramana, hei kingi mai a reira, hei kai ārahi ma te iwa i a reira.
Nui te kone i tēnei wahanga, hei whakatau enei o ngā manuhiri.
Ke mātou ki roto hokianga, te pū te te.
I think that the building and all the new things that come along with it have also opened up more opportunities for our children to go out and experience different things outside of Kaikohe and in Kaikohe. Not all Māori children will become another statistic like they say, and that the more you believe in us, the more that we will achieve. If you don't believe in us, then we're not going to believe in ourselves, and we won't achieve the goals that we want to achieve. So all I say is that don't put our Māori kids down, bring them up and believe in them more than we are at the moment, and just support them wherever they need support, and just be there for them, give them, give them a lot of aroha, a lot of awhi.